Meaning of deus ex machina.
Deus ex machina.
Deus ex machina.
Deus ex machina.
Deus ex machina. Deus ex machina is a Latin term used to describe a plot device in literature and drama where a seemingly unsolvable problem is suddenly resolved by the unexpected intervention of a new character, object or event. The term translates to God from the machine, referring to the use of a contraption on stage in ancient Greek theater to lower actors playing gods onto the stage. This plot device can result in a sudden and sometimes unsatisfying resolution, as it can feel contrived or too convenient for the story.